Hey guys, I wanted to come to you today and show you the finished product of the pool that we poured last October for our third training event. I'll link the video from that training event and this pour and how we built this pool. This was the first pool we had used Nudura 1s on, and the owner of the construction company actually let us simplify this pool design, but I didn't. I left it exactly how the plan was, and these little outcroppings here were a little tricky to form with the Nudura 1s, but I actually love the look. You guys saw at the beginning of the video the drone footage. The shape of it really adds a pretty cool level of design, and I didn't want to take away from it. So what we have is a Nudura 1 monolithic pour ICF pool, all insulated. The floor has 2 inches of foam under it, so it's a commercial pool. It's not going to be open all year, but it is going to be a lot easier to heat than a typical gunite pool because all sides except the top are insulated. It's got reef gray eco finish, which is one of my favorite colors. It just really lets the water have that nice blue hue to it. Really, really pretty. I have 8 micro brights coming out of the stairs, and I've got 4 big IntelliBrights, 2 in the shallow and 2 in the deep. And it really lit. I checked it last night. It was the first night we had them on, and it really, really lit up this pool really well, really amazing. So I think we're actually going to do another pool for this same company, very similar, next year. So I'll probably do a bunch of detail. I've not done a ton of commercial in my life. I've always kind of stayed in the residential area, but with the pools, it's a pretty good way to go. I mean, it helps them because I've made a pool that's way easier to maintain with the eco finish, that they don't have to worry about bad chemistry, etching, and the equipment's very easy to maintain. The lights are all controllable by an app. It's all very, very cool. So, I think it's a win-win. We get a cool project and they get a very easy pool. Hey guys, so you saw how cool the pool turned out. I freaking love it. It was a really fun project. Obviously, I want to take you in and show you the equipment. It's a little different than a lot of the stuff we do because it's just real beefy, but it's also simple. As a commercial pool, it's going to have maintenance people. It's not always going to be the same people dealing with the pool. We got a master temp 400. They're just going to use that so that when they open it, most of the time in Missouri, Southwest Missouri, your apartments will guarantee the pool open by sometime in May, Memorial Day, whatever, and it'll be open till mid-September. This enables it to not be freezing cold in May, but they're not going to use it year-round. TR 140, big sand filter, easy to keep clean, easy to, you got to be easy. Could we have used a cartridge or a DE? Sure, but this is much easier for somebody to just come backwash. We have the big IntelliFlow XF pump here. It's a 5-horse XF, capable of immense flow. We also have 7 suction sides. We have 4 skimmers and 2 sets of main drains. We wanted to be able to spin this water as efficiently as possible. So you can see over here, it's not a good angle. You can come over here and I'll show you. We're low on salt. We just started it up, so we weren't sure. We thought we'd done the math about right. We have 3 Pentair IC60s. These are commercial salt generators. They can make 2 pounds of chlorine each for 6 pounds of chlorine a day. So this thing will completely sanitize this pool, even in the heaviest demand periods of the summer when there's tons of people and everything. So like I said, very simple, no automation. The way we control the lights is this color sync controller right here. It doesn't look like much, but it's about a $250 light switch, but that will sync up. If you notice when we were flying the drone at night, we had 4 big IntelliBrights and then 8 micro brights. And to sync up an IntelliBright and a micro bright, you have to run the 12-volt IntelliBrights instead of the 120-volt IntelliBrights. It's the first time I've ever used those, because every time I've ever used a big light, I just used 120-volt, didn't have to have the transformer. But if it's all going to run off one transformer and communicate with the color sync controller, they've all got to be 12 volts, so the transformer clicks on and off for all of them. But it's a 300-watt transformer. It's running 8 micros and 4 IntelliBrights. I think you could almost handle double that, which is that transformer is usually so overkill for most of our kits and stuff. But anyway, so it's real simple, guys, for just big, just a lot of water, trying to move it and keep it clean. You guys remember last week I had Austin break in his own pool. So today, this is a commercial pool. It's a premier apartment community that's coming to Ozark, Missouri, called River Ranch Apartments, but there's nobody living here yet, not for about another month. So I brought my buddy Scott's children over here. You guys want to come over here? You're gonna break this pool in for me. Come around here. So they're gonna just dive on in. Not diving, this is 4 feet deep. All right, so this is Ava and Tucker and Kylie. Do you think, Ava, do you think your dad should move into these apartments so you could enjoy this pool more often?
Most definitely.
Most definitely. Scotty, you're gonna have to sell your house. I'm sorry, buddy. That's just the way it is. At least they're very nice apartments. So, guys, it's pretty cool. What do you think, Tucker? Is this as cool as the Dolphin Island pools?
Sure.
Oh, sure? Okay. Not on the beach, but pretty awesome. Yeah. Okay. All right, guys, on the count of 3, you're gonna get in, okay? 1, 2, 3. That's what it's all about, guys. I mean, pools are really for the kids. Obviously, I love playing in them, but what do you think? Huh? Love it. All right. I'll see you guys next week.